Welcome back to Planet Algo, where we discuss all things about the Algorand network. Last week, I wrapped up a tutorial series on the official Algorand wallet. In that series, I covered how to transact, i.e., send and receive money. However, I've noticed in many different Algorand communities and cryptocurrency in general that people are still very hesitant to transact with their wallets. That is, most people are hodling, which is fine. However, the future of cryptocurrency lies in people having the confidence to transact with their wallets. How can this ever be a currency if everyone's too scared to do a transaction? And I don't want to blame the people. I want to blame myself. It is the cryptocurrency community that needs to educate people and make all of you feel just as safe transacting with Algo or any other cryptocurrency as you would with a Visa card. So today I'm going to go ahead and cover sending money in the official Algorand wallet. Again, it's going to be a dedicated video to that. I just want to make a couple clear transactions so everyone will cover every single use case. So here we have the official Algorand wallet, and we have two people, Tina and Rohan. So now let's say Tina wants to send Rohan some money. Maybe Rohan sold her a pair of socks and Tina says, I'm going to pay for them in Algo. Okay, the way this would work is Rohan would say, okay, the first thing I have to do, Tina, is I have to send you my Algo wallet address. So in the app here, Tina is going to come down, and I have my mouse. I have this recorded on computer, so I want to be able to show you things exactly. Right here, this button, I can click on that, and that will get me my share QR and address, okay? This is a public address that you can give to anybody. Nobody can hack your account, hurt your account, etc. with this address. It is meant to be given to people so that they can pay you or you can transfer funds, i.e., you can send money to this. This is how you send money into your wallet, okay? So Rohan has this. She's going to go ahead. She's going to copy her address down below. Right down here, we see that copy. And then she's going to come out and she's going to say, Tina, here is my address. She's going to send this to her in a text message. However, okay, and she could also send her the QR code or have her scan the QR code for more convenience. Tina is going to go into her account and she's going to click the send at the bottom. And when she does this, it brings up some information. First of all, it says, what wallet are you sending from? Well, we're sending from Tina's. What are we sending? We're sending Algos. This is the asset. Remember that Algo has other asset classes. I covered that in another video. How much are we going to send? Well, we're going to just send a test account. So let's just go ahead and send a very small amount, maybe 1/100th of an Algo, okay? And what address are we going to send it to? Well, this is the address that Rohan gave to us, okay? And we're always going to do a small transaction first to make sure we got this address right, okay? And we're going to sit here and say test for Rohan. And we're going to preview it, okay? So again, there's our account, there's our asset class Algo, and the amount, you can also see that little indicator there means Algos. There's always a fee to transact with the network. Right now it's about 1/5 of a US cent, okay? I'm gonna send Algos. And it should take about 10-15 seconds to finish. And you can see it's going through there. Let's go into here, into Rohan's account. And we can see 0.01 Algos were sent to Rohan by Tina, okay? So you can see right here that Rohan received 0.01 Algos from Tina. Now we can click on this for more details. We see it was completed. We see who it's to, who it's from, and we can see the fee as well as the date and then more information. If we want to look this up in a blockchain, we could do that, but we're not going to worry about that, okay? So here we just did a successful transaction. Now Rohan might say, Tina, I got that, it's good, okay? And what Tina could do is say, well, you know what? I want to save this so that I don't have to do that again. And I'm gonna put it in there, Rohan, okay? And I'm gonna paste it in there. And I'm gonna add it as a contact, okay? So now I don't have to worry. Now I have Rohan as a contact in the official Algorand wallet, okay? Rohan says to Tina, you actually owe me 2 Algos for the sock. Or sorry, I don't have that much money. You owe me 0.2 Algos for the socks. Now Tina, with confidence, because she knows she has the address right, she can go ahead, she can hit send. She can send to 0.2, sorry, 0.2. And now what she can do is she can go ahead and click the contacts button to select Rohan to be the receiving account. So she hits contacts and she hits Rohan, okay? And there's Rohan saying. And we add the note and we say, okay. And I preview this, and now I'm gonna send this. And now Rohan should be getting the algos within a few moments. And there they were, 0.20 algos were sent by Rohan to Tina. Okay, very nice, right? So we can come into here, we can see this transaction, and we can see the note for pretend socks. And if you're interested, you can look up this transaction ID on the Algo Explorer to see more technical detail about it. Very easy. Now I know a lot of you are on Coinbase, okay? So if you have Coinbase, you do have to be careful. You won't be able to add a contact like this if you're using the regular Coinbase, okay? That's because Coinbase doesn't give you a dedicated address all the time. They can change it. So each time you send money to a Coinbase account, you will need to ask the person what their Coinbase is saying their address is, okay? Now I believe Coinbase Pro may give you a dedicated wallet address, but I don't think that Coinbase does. So you do have to be wary of that. But if you're using somebody that has an official Algorand wallet or a dedicated Algorand wallet, it's this simple, okay? And another thing, if you are so nervous, you don't even want to start off like that. You're Tina and you're like, you know what, Rohan, I don't know what I'm doing at all, and this is money, I want to be careful. Well, you know what you can do? You can go ahead and you can send yourself a zero transaction. Now we covered this because this is a useful thing to do to gather interest, okay? But you can send this just to see what a transaction is like. Now remember, there's always a 0.001 algo fee, which you still have to pay, but you can send yourself this zero transaction, okay? So you can see 0.000, and here I'm gonna select accounts. I'm gonna select it to myself, Tina. Now that's Tina's public address. And I'm gonna say test 0 trans to, oh my gosh. I just dislike typing on an iPad very much. Test 0 trans to self. Okay, and I'm gonna preview this. And so Tina's gonna send this to herself. And we're gonna see this is going through to Tina. We'll give it about 10-15 seconds and it will be done, okay? So if we go ahead, we'll just sit here, wait just real shortly, and it's done. And now I can see that I had this, the time that went through, and that I received a zero transaction, okay? There were no funds actually transferred, but it's called a zero transaction. It's a true transfer transaction, and it worked, okay? If any of you have any questions or concerns, please just comment down below. All I got for now. Hopefully you found this video useful. If so, please hit the like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time.